Alright guys, want to change refresh rate settings on your Poco X8 Pro Max? No need to overthink it. There's a quick and simple way to adjust it easily. Stay with the steps you see on the screen and improve your screen experience without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.